Mabuhay Pilipinas, mabuhay worldwide. I have here with me one of the candidates for this year's Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide, Jerison Hasmin from the province of Pangasinan. Hello, Jerison.
Hi sir, good afternoon. So hi everyone, by the way, my name is Jerson Ramos Asmin, representing the province of Pangasinan.
So, kamusta ang pakiramdam na finally nandito ka na sa Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide?
So yun, overwhelmed po ako and very excited sa mga susunod pang mga events po namin and nakakakaba kasi ang dami ding mga candidates na deserving din talaga. So yun.
Okay, so medyo ano to personal pero nagulat akong nag-apply ka sa Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide kasi the last time na nakita kita was during Mr. Pangasinan last year, and then eto nag-apply ka. What made you decide to join this year's competition?
So I made to decide this competition because I know na kaya ko and naniniwala sa akin ang organization, most especially our local director, Mrs. Leslie Intendencia Gascon and Sir Jerry Gascon, and they gave me this opportunity na i-represent ang probinsya ng Pangasinan.
Okay, so kamusta naman yung iyong interactions with your fellow candidates?
Ayun, nakaklose ko agad silang lahat. Tsaka may mga nakakabiruan na rin ako, tsaka mga naging kaibigan na rin ako actually. And sobrang close na po namin lahat.
Sino yung makaka-close mo naman?
Especially Batangas, ayan, and Canada. Alberta, Canada.
Uy,
And
Canada ha, in fairness ha.
hindi, Tagalaw yun din po kasi siya.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So Ilocano.
Okay, alright.
Nag-usap din kami kanina ng Ilocano din talaga.
Talaga, marunong siya?
Yes. Pero hindi siya masyadong fluent.
Anyway, so kamusta naman ang iyong preparations for this competition?
So ayun, bumalik na po ako sa pag-workout and sinet ko na po yung mind ko. Yan. So, naging prepared po ako and last year po kasi I experienced anxiety, depression and anxiety. So that's why I came out to my advocacy, which is mental health awareness.
Okay, so ano naman ang iyong mga expectations on this year's competition?
Ang expectation ko is maging okay lahat and ako is mag-enjoy lang naman ako and I will not promise but I will do my very best na ipakita kung ano yung kayang gawin ng mga Pangasinan si Kings.
The best of luck to you, Jerison, and we'll see more of you in the coming weeks.
Yes po.
Once again, guys, we have with us Jerison Hasmin from the province of Pangasinan.
Thank you everyone.